Hey guys, it's Sejal. Look who's here today.
Hi guys, I'm Roshni. I'm a mother, I'm a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel by the name of Roshni Bhatia where I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and motherhood.
And she has a great sense of style. So I wanted to do the outfit challenge with you. Did this with Sherry Shroff last time. So we're basically going to give each other very wacky situations and color combinations and in which we have to try and put together a decent outfit. It's not a competition. Okay, please don't comment below, hey Sejal, you suck. Hey Roshni, you suck. Who's better? It's not a competition. It's just a friendly challenge.
Absolutely.
So are you ready?
I'm absolutely ready. Let's
Let's
get into
do
this.
So if you guys enjoy, make sure you hit subscribe, like, comment below and let's get started. So since Roshni has come over to my house, we're going to be using all of my clothes and everything that's in my cupboard, my mom's cupboard and my brother's cupboard.
So I'm basically at her mercy today. I don't know what she's gonna give me. She actually told me don't get anything and I was like, okay, fine.
You have to pick 2 or as many items of clothing as you want to pair in whatever outfit, but blindfolded. And once you see what you've picked out, then you have access to like shoes, accessories or whatever
To like style it
to
up.
style it up.
Sejal, you have no idea about my sixth sense, okay? I have a very
Oh.
good sixth sense.
Yeah.
I can pick the right outfit. Aankhein band karke. Okay, so my challenge for you is, are you ready? Since your style is pretty casual, since we know that it's a party season, I want you to do a party outfit with something printed, something silver, and
Okay.
something red. Basically, I just want you to be a disco ball.
Silver. I don't even know if I have anything silver. I hope I don't end up looking like Mithunda.
I like the
Blindfold.
blindfold myself. Let me have a good look at your wardrobe before I blindfold. Blindfold? ठीक, ये मेरे को रेड लग रहा है. ये तो definitely denim है या jacket है. ये तो चलेगा ही. चाहे कुछ भी हो. I'll take this. This looks like a pant to me. Oh yes, it's a dungaree, na? Now I need something inside it. Oh shit. ये मेरे को थोड़ा पतला लग रहा है इसके नीचे के लिए. Is this your night suit? Ooh, is this a crop top? अरे मेरा हाथ सही चीज पे लग गया.
Okay, so this first challenge is actually really tough and I've been running around my room for a while now. But I've just decided I'm wearing these red pants. So red part of the outfit is a check. For prints, I was thinking I'd pick up this graphic t-shirt which does count as a print, but I think it's a pretty safe option. So I picked out this printed shirt. It's actually a guy's shirt, so I think it may look cool. And for silver, bloody hell, I don't have anything that's silver in clothing. So I have silver shoes, I know, which I haven't worn in my entire existence. Yuck. No wonder I never wore these before. Okay, we'll make these work. Okay, this is an easy one actually. So you have to put together an entire outfit in one color. Pretty easy.
Okay, yeah, it's actually
Yeah.
quite
Oh shit,
trending.
I should have thought of something better. Oh,
Thank
no.
you, Sejal. My next challenge for you is I want you to come up with an outfit that you haven't even dreamt of pairing ever again. Like something
Okay.
that you would never ever wear. Absolutely out of your comfort zone.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
I don't know what I'll wear. Okay, this is interesting. I'll think about it.
I actually recently just got these boots. I've never worn anything like this before. I got very inspired looking at Priyanka Chopra, so I thought let's buy them. Becoming slightly too risque and like Kendall Jenner, I thought I'll pair it with these sexy black shorts. And to wear on top, I need something again very sexy and end up looking like a vampire. Yeah, Roshni is like another addition, this yellow cape. So I've worn this before, but the combination of this and like jet black, also with like these tiny elements inside and thigh-high boots, should be fun.
I actually really like this skirt. I love egg skirts. So this I think should be a good. This is to matlab heavy.
This is actually from my collection and it's one of my designs, you know.
I really like this sweater as well because I think it's very festive. Oh, I like this t-shirt, yeah.
It's a Harry Potter t-shirt.
Oh my god, I love Harry Potter. See, मेरा हाथ लग गया सही चीज पे दोबारा. मेरे लिए बनी थी.
my last challenge for you is that you have to put together an outfit that is sort of recreating any YouTuber's look.
And recreate your look.
Okay, fine. But yeah, that's the last challenge. Yeah, mine are very easy. Yours are tough.
I want you to pick an outfit which should have 3 colors of the color wheel, which is yellow, blue and red. Basically 3 opposite colors of the color wheel.
Yeah. Okay, interesting.
I'm dressing as Sejal Kumar. You would totally rock this lady's dress. Hey, why don't we do this? What's this? Oh, it's actually a jumpsuit. This has Sejal written all over it. I'm totally wearing this. You know what? I'm gonna style it with some worn out boots and maybe like a hat because Sejal loves hats.
My brain is already tired. Thanks, Roshni, for giving me such tough challenges. This is one of my favorite tops. It's red, so the red part of the outfit is done. And to pair this, since it's a crop top, I wanted something longer and high-waisted. So we have a blue skirt. These colors are still bright, but they're not very contrasting because they're still both muted. So I think this doesn't look too crazy. And for the yellow part of it, I just remembered that I have a really nice yellow sling bag to go with this. The last thing, sneakers. Whew.
Hey!
Hello.
I would never pick this with my eyes open, but actually I don't mind it. I actually look like a 90s kid.
You look really good.
Going to a Britney Spears concert right now. I pair this with this black safe heels.
And as for me, I was thinking that I'll end up looking like a creepy uncle in Goa. But I think the shirt is what made it come together.
Exactly.
I feel. What made it cool was the way the tie. It's actually a guy's shirt, so it's falling really nicely off the shoulder. I did not go with the silver heels because they're very ugly. I wore big silver massive hoops, so all your conditions are met, and just plain black old silver strappy heels.
Okay, someone looks really fancy. I love this outfit on you.
Listen, I really like this outfit on you.
I am loving this t-shirt that I'm actually planning on stealing, but whatever. It looks chic because the skirt is like, you know, this perfect length and it has these buttons and
Picked up all the colors, and
Yeah.
interestingly, they're all the same tone.
they're the same tone. T-shirt that you're giving me, it's decided.
I look like a Halloween
You
costume,
do
like
not.
Catwoman or something.
Now you do not look like a Halloween costume. I think you look freaking hot, Sejal. But I have to say this is not your style.
Oh, not at all. So I did the challenge well, right?
Very well. She did push herself out. I have a very strong feeling that she will end up wearing this outfit in the near future.
Maybe 20 years later.
No.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm Sejal.
Hi, I'm a sailor.
I love what you're wearing.
I would never pick this up, but I'm so happy with how it's turned out. Like the bright colors.
Yeah.
It's really working.
It's a very smart thing to add a colorful bag as an accessory because, you know, we always end up buying the brown or the blacks.
I think you look fab.
That's why I thought that if I just put a hat and a jumpsuit with like some cool boots, then I'm totally doing the Sejal.
Would you ever wear this again?
I would.
You
I
would?
totally wear it.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
absolutely love it. It's comfy, it's chic, it's stylish. Why not?
Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you had fun.
I had the best time, Sejal. Like, I always knew this is going to be fun.
These are like out of the box challenges. I would never dress like this, and I figured out some new looks which I actually want to
Yeah,
wear.
I think it's a good way to sometimes challenge oneself if you want to really, you know, come out of your comfort zone, and it ends up giving you like a breath of fresh air.
Anyway, we've done a video on her channel as well. I'm going to leave the link below. Make sure you watch that, subscribe, etc. And subscribe to my channel as well. We're almost at 1 million, and if you're interested in a and if you're interested, a lot of clothes that we wore in this video are from my clothing line Sejal X SBL, the link to which will also be below, so you can buy these pieces and recreate these looks exactly. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.